Alright, what's going on, people? This Calvin Cade. I got in a few entries, a whole lot of entries. Most of these trades gonna play out next week because today is Thursday, and some of them might play out today and tomorrow. But overall, it's a swing move, so they're gonna play out next week. But I kind of gravitated to something different because I'm trying to get as far away from retail trading as possible, and everybody teaching the same stuff. So like I said, I'm working with my indicator. If I know where the trade is going and headed, why not invest in it until they get to that target, right? And you guys got a glance of that last week with those trades, right? So this gonna be a little more advanced. It's different. Many people can't handle the drawdown, but you gotta have an account that can handle your drawdown. And like I said, overall, if you know where the trade is headed, why not just get in the trade and just swing the move, right? Instead of trying to catch the top, the absolute top and bottom, right? But overall, like I said, I'm using my indicator, and it helps a lot. So I want you guys to see the drawdown, because the drawdown is the most important stuff. It's not as attractive to most, and that's what people tend to get confused, and that's what separates retail from actual professional or advanced traders. And because everybody's teaching the same thing right now. If you can look on YouTube, everybody teaching the same concept. And not to say that it don't work, it does, because like I said, I was using it, and it really works, and it helps, and I was very consistent with it. But at the same time, there's a certain amount of information you just run with when you trade like that. But like I said, I'm gonna just go left to right, go through these pairs and show you guys what's going on. And I just want you to pay attention to the drawdown, because most of these trades, they're gonna fly up, people. So this is AU. We draw down on that. AN. A chef. We've been in this trade since last week. This is the only one haven't performed. It got up there, but then it shot back down. But now we reaching right back up there. And like I said, if you know where to get in these trades, if you know where the trade is going, just invest in it. You ain't gotta absolutely catch the bottom and the top. But here we go. U chef. Let's see if the drawdown will come down, because I think we in drawdown right now. Well, I'm assuming we it's about to open, but we in drawdown on this one. It's taking a little while to load up, but UCAD, you know what we're gonna do? Hold on, let me just do this. Close one of those. Maybe it's too much. There we go. Too much data. So that's UCAD. USHF, we draw down 20. UCAD, we draw down about 10 pips. UJ, 98. That's two positions, so that's about 50 a piece. Not in that one. GJ, we up 11. Euro, where we at? 26. Drawdown. EA, we should be in profit. Nope, we didn't draw down 34 pips. Euro shelf. Just raise this up. Not in that one. Euro JPY. Starting to push a little. We up 30 pips on that one. EN. We should be up 15. ECAD. NJ. NU. We ranging. We should be in drawdown. 95, and there's three positions, people. So we do the math. That's about 30 something a piece. And that in Bitcoin. We're not in Bitcoin. Bitcoin got a funny way of moving, but my indicator predict these moves, accurately a little bit on a lower time frame. So I'm gonna just be analyzing that and showing you guys where it's gonna be heading. But I'm not trading that sucker. No. But so that's the ones that we are in right now. And like I said, people, this is a different style of trading. Most people won't get it. Most people hooked on what they're teaching, and I was. But at a certain point, when you have enough experience, you start to analyze your losses and your wins and all those and all your strategies and stuff, and then you come to realizations that if I was to do this, I would have won. You know what I'm saying? Other than putting my stop loss, like putting my stop loss under here and then getting took it on, then the trade going in my way, right? So overall, if we have a huge drop, and once my indicator pick up where this trade is supposed to go, why not just get in the trade once you see a good entry in a good price range to get in there, right? So that's what I'm doing. It's real simple. It's not made for signals, so that's why I'm not doing this with my signal service. I don't have to do that, people, but a lot of people wouldn't succeed in that anyway because they tend to over leverage, and instead of just investing what the account can handle, because these things gonna be in drawdown. Like, you're gonna be in drawdown either way it go, And if you try to time the market, it's perfect. Like, I did that a few times, but it's not. It's consistent a little bit, but you don't want to overall keep doing it. You just want to, like, if I see it, get in it, right? I know where it's going. Get in it. I'm willing to buy in this area to take it back up here, right? Real simple stuff, people. So I'm gonna update you guys on these trades. This is the 1 hour. We'll go to the 4 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna update you guys on these trades because we in quite a bit of fuel, and I want you guys to pay attention to the drawdown, most importantly, because that's overall going to tell you the story, right? So I'm willing to invest and risk this much to make this much, people. So if there's 2 positions, right? So we down 100 pips right there, right? Let's just put it right here. So this position right here will be 200 pips. This position right here will be another 200 pips. So that's 400 pips, right? And yeah, just like that, people. That's 400 pips. This one right here, we up 12. This position right here is another 214 pips. And this position here is another 214 pips. So this one here was on a 1 hour. So I don't know why I took this on a 4 hour, but that'll be about 40 pips. So if this trade loses 40 pips, I'll close it. Because I took this off the 1 hour. And as you can see, it almost hit our target and then it shot back down. So in the realistic, I was right, but on the 1 hour it's kind of different. But we're gonna watch this one. But yeah, we're gonna watch that one. But this one here is what? That's 171 pips. Get to this one. That's 126 pips. E chef, EG. 36 pips. Boom. That's about 191 pips. EN. 200 pips. And like I said, people, everything you need to know is in these charts. It just takes you to understand what's going on. And you need experience. And for you people that's in the group, like, once you get that information, people, you don't have to stick around. Once they teach you how to trade, and once you start to figure out some stuff, you gotta branch off. I'm not to say you gotta get away from that person because you're learning, but once you at a point when you learn Like if you in a group for like 5 years, that's way too long for me. And if you're not on your own trading, it doesn't make sense because you're prolonging yourself. You're prolonging your skills because you're so attached to whoever group you're in. But once you get that information, people, it's on you to take it and run with it and build upon it. Because once you keep staying in those groups, it's like you looking for the next thing, and there is no next thing if they already taught you what they. But you got to get in these charts and start to document this stuff yourself. And when you're doing that, you'll start to find different things. You'll come up with ideas because the brain, people, is really an amazing thing. And if you use it wisely, you can overcome a lot of stuff. But like I said, man, you guys got to get out of these groups. Once you get the information and take it, run with it, and build upon it, and you're gonna learn so much more. Because this is an independent opportunity, and you guys gotta learn this stuff yourself if you trying to be a quote unquote trader, right? I look at it as an investments. I got totally away from that retail stuff, so it is what it is. But we at the end of the day, we all retail anyway. So, but you gotta think different. People. Come up with ideas. You need that experience. But other than that, man, that's where we at. I know a lot of people ain't gonna get it, but I'm here to show you guys. Pay attention to the drawdown because these trades is gonna take off. As you can see, it's starting to take off, and I want you guys to see. But other than that, y'all get at me, like, comment, subscribe. Look at that, 105. Yeah, just pay attention to it. Because sooner or later, these trades is gonna be winning. It's gonna be in huge profits. So, y'all get at me, like, comment, subscribe, and I hit you guys up with another video, updated video on these trades. Like I said, man, I go through these pairs, and once I see what I'm looking for, and I just get in the trade and I see where it's heading. Once I get a good position, a good entry price point, I'm getting in that trade. And like I said, I'm using my indicator in the background. I'm just presenting naked charts to you guys. But other than that, man, that's what I'm doing. I'm sticking to it. And yeah, y'all get at me.